the logarithm, right? Okay, so first work is what? A plus b minus 2c mean what you should do it? Substitution. Substitution mean the basic part of that, mean the maths you studied earlier, how to substitute the value when they given the algebraic letters. Okay, so what they said, a when is there, when the a is there, so we know the logarithm is 18. So I'm going to substitute like this kind of way. We'll see. So what is that? A, I'll write it for this a. What is that? LG 18 equal and plus b. What's the value for b? B they said it's equal to logarithm 50. Okay, LG 50 is there minus 2c. What is c? C is not 3. C is not 3. C is LG 3. LG 3. Okay, so we'll move to the next step. What's the next step you studied? Did you remember or not? When we have, for example, when we have LG, if I say it's any of that 3, so I'll take this question, right? 3. So this 2, we can take it as an index. This 2 we can take as index. Here the multiplication symbol is there in front of that. We can take as an index. If I take it, it comes like this: LG 18 plus LG 50 minus LG 3 squared. 3 squared mean we know what is the answer. It's 9. So this is the revision that you studied what you the earlier and answering the questions, right? So here you see, while we answer the questions, the earlier the lessons what we studied, I'll revise it. How to do that one and what we did it, what is the theory part. Okay, look at this. Yeah, voice is breaking. So what about the others? The voice, is it clear? Voice? For other students, yes, it's clear. Only for 1 or 2 they have the problem, so please check your connection. Okay, however, next one, how to write the answer for this question. In logarithm you studied, when we have, in logarithm you studied, there is a theorem, there's a theory part. Here look at it, what is the theory? I'll just write it here. What is that? When we have LG, if it's x into I, while we have the multiplication between two numbers or two letters with using the logarithm, when we have log, what we should do it, we need to, when they have multiplication, we can give this logarithm separately, and that, what is that? Multiplication we can convert as, the multiplication we can convert as addition. So what is the answer? We can write it LG x plus LG y. So like this kind of way we can write it. So this is the one way. It's what, when we have the multiplication we can convert as addition. So the other side, the opposite of that, while we have the addition, we can convert that one into multiplication. So how is that? Look at this one. So what I'm going to do it, I'm going to convert this one as in this format. What is that? Help me. When I have LG x and plus LG y, so what is the answer? So this is revision. Now it's revision. What is that? So already you studied, right, these things. Now I'm just revising, right? Grade 10 you studied these rules. Okay, tell me. LGX plus LGY, right? So what is the answer? LGXY. So don't forget these things what you studied earlier, right? Okay. So however, don't worry. So even when I'm teaching for you all the logarithm for grade 10, for you grade 10 class is free. For you all the grade 10 class is free. So when I'm teaching the logarithm, yeah, inshallah, so within another 2-3 weeks or maybe like that way in the online classes, I'm teaching the logarithm for the grade 10s. So at least from there you can catch the lesson, right? Even if not, so some students they are participating for the fast track class. So for them, again I'm teaching from the beginning. No, so the logarithm part is there. I'll inform you what I'm going to do it. Okay. So this year the fast track class still we are in the factorization. So still in the factorization. So we are starting this coming Thursday. What is the lesson? Yeah, the factorization. This part, quadratic expressions, right? Quadratic expression, trinomial expression we are starting, right? So when we have 3 terms divided to 2, this are divided to 4 parts, right? And take the factors of that, 2 brackets come as a product. So that part we are starting on this Thursday. This Thursday in fast track class we are starting, what is that? Trinomial expression, the factorization, the quadratic expression. That means grade 10, mainly the 7th lesson, right? Mainly 7th lesson, every exercises you can do it, and also grade 9 some lessons are there. You can the quadratic expression lessons are there. You can complete that one factorization. If anyone hope to join only for this session, so I don't know this part quadratic expression I can't understand. If anyone is there, so you can pay only for session, because session by session I charge it. The reason is that students who need, they can come only for that session. And again, what is that, if you like, you can join to the Saturday Sunday class, right? So like that way it goes on. So it's your wish. You, if you like, you can join it. Okay. However, the already students who joined, they can continue it. The newly continue it means, so they can continue this Thursday that you have to pay the amount, and you have to continue that one continuously week by week. You have to pay and continue it. If the extra classes are there, I'll inform you. But the students who's coming for Saturday class, or even the Sunday, that means the revision, Saturday Sunday revision, who's coming there. So if anyone need this particular part, the quadratic expression I need, no, so I don't want. Logarithm part I need. When I'm teaching the logarithm, even I'm inform you. So you can join for that part if you are weak in that. Okay. However, this one. So logarithm as same when we have the division. As same when we have the division, the theory is there, the rule is there. You studied. What is that? While we have the division, I'll write it on here. When we have division, LG, if anyone need these things, you can put a star and write down in one place. Okay, x divided by y. So while we have the division like this kind of way, we can convert this one into what? We can convert into suppression. So it becomes as LG x minus LG y. I hope you understood. So these are theory parts, what you studied. Now we'll move to the next one. When I have the other side, the opposite of that, inverse of that, right? Okay, so when we come back, converse, we call LG x minus LG y. Mean, if you like, you can write as what? Take that LG as common, x divided by y. I hope you understood. This is not hard, even you study it. Then now I'll come to the point. What is that? According to my question. Now here, this is division. Revise you, right? Again, I'll just take you to what is that, the earlier, the basic part. Now we'll move to what is that. Now we are moving to what? Now we are moving to, tell me. Now we are moving to the question according to this. So help me. LG, LG, LG. So LG is common because the base is same. No, here. What is the base? The base. Yeah. What we got here? What we got here? The LG base is not 1. Who said base is 1? LG base 10, right? Selena. Base 10, base 10, base 10. So LG, the base 10 is common. Between these two, the addition is there. Between these two, the suppression is there. So we know how to convert the addition suppression. When we have the logarithm, if it's a common base, we can take it out. When I take this one is out, LG 10, that means 10, no need. Inside the bracket should write what? 18 plus multiplication 50 minus mean what? Divide, it's what? 3 squared. Don't write 3 squared. 3 squared, what is answer? It comes as 9. So you should simplify 9, 1, 18 to, so what is the answer? 2 into 50. 2 into 50 it's equal to LG 100. LG 100 mean what is the answer? LG 100, what is the answer for LG 100? Do you know the answer for LG 100? What is the answer for LG 100? Yeah, the LG 100 is equal to 2. Why is that? LG 100 it's equal to 2. Why is that? 10 to the right. Okay, look at this one. So usually when you got, listen carefully, LG 100 like this kind of a, when you got a question, right? Look, you can do one work, right? Count the zeros. Count the zeros. How many zeros are there? How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So what is your answer? It's 2. Okay. So another way is there. For example, look at it. LG, if I have 1000 before that. Here, look at it. Now what is the answer? What is the answer? LG 1000. So answer is what? 0, 1, 2, 3 zeros are there. So what is the answer? It's 3. Right. Now I'm asking for one question. What is that? LG, it's what? 20 is there. What is the answer? Now don't count the zeros and write down. Don't count the zeros and write down, because if you count the zeros and write, it's wrong. Because we can write the answer when it's what the power of the 10, power of 10, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, right? Okay, like that when it comes on 100,000, it goes on like that kind of way. So when you have the power of 100, you can count the zeros and write the answer. But for this one, we can't write it like that kind of way. As same, when we have power of 1000, power of 100, but it's like this kind of way, logarithm 3. Now it's what is that? The 3. What is the answer? Can you write 3? Can you write 3? Can't write it. If you write, it's wrong because the base should be 10. Here the base is 10. Base should be 10 and here. Really, what is the reason here? Look at this one. Why it's 2? Because of this. Look at it. I'm writing. If anyone need in a side, you can write this one. Here, look at it. What is that? LG, it's 100. So we can write this one as LG 10 squared. 10 squared. Did you remember the earlier in this question, here the 2 is there. I took it as an index. Here that is 2, I took this one as index. Now the other side, here the 2 I took as index. Here index. So as same, when we have index like this way, we can take it front. So I'm going to take it. It's 2. I'll take this one in here. So what is the answer? 2 multiplied by LG10. So what is LG10? LG10 mean what? LG10. So you should understand this one. This is very important. Okay, again I'm writing this one. So look at this one. What is that? If you have LOG33, if you have LOGAA, if you have LOGMM, if you have LOG55 base 5, what is the answer? For this everything, the answer is how much? Answer is 1. So as same, so we should understand this part is equal to 1. If it's equal to 1, 1 into 2, because this part is equal to 1, 1 into 2, what is the answer? It's equal to 2. I hope you understood what are the important things. You can write it. So if it's important anything, you can write it. Okay. So if anyone have questions, you can ask. Use your mic.